This is the Unplugged Performance Style Real Glossy Dry Carbon Fiber Front Splitter by Cuztomtuning. The price I paid was $290 out the door, and I picked this up locally. They have Amazon account as well. If you want them to be shipped through Amazon, the price is $329 plus tax with free shipping. This is way cheaper than the original version, and I wouldn't pay $700 for ABS or urethane plastic material. The fitment was 9 out of 10 and it was very close fitment. The material quality is about B comparing to RPM Tesla's rear diffuser, which had a bit better finish. For the price and the quality, you wouldn't want to miss.